heard everybody there over there. I don't know what's going on. The Crappie Kid. I just unsubscribed from him. Alright, later on, Wendy. Crappie Kid just left. Oh man. Right when he left, I caught a fish. He had his camera on his head. He had his phone out. He just took off over there. I think I'm gonna follow him. Way over there. He didn't even wave at me, dude. I tried to wave at him. I see how people are. That's all right. We keep catching fish though, right? Got him in the gills too, man. I hope he's gonna be alright. Yeah, he's gonna live. Live to see another day. Think I'm gonna go to freaking round there, the Rock 66 over there. That's a trip, seeing the Crappie Kid. Alright, peace. And then I catch 5 little crappie over here. Got 1 sand bass. Freaking 8 foot of water. Couldn't get about this morning. 26 foot of water, 30 feet over there. I done caught like 5 or 6 of these dang things. Got a sand bass in the dang bucket. I'm over here on 66 now, dude. I'm all the way over here. We've been caught before too. Hold on, Gilbert. Freaking dude, catching these dang crappie, dude, and freaking down. About that's 7 foot right there, but I was back over there, dude. About 14 feet over there. Catching little ones, but better than nothing, dude. I wouldn't get the bite over there on the other side. Alright. Alright, man, they might be turning around. Back over here on G-Town side. Just caught 2 in a row. Black stripe, man. You got a black stripe on his lip. 10 and a half. Thank you very much, Wendy. I'm filling up the bucket now. Yeah, Leah been out here all day. 2:45. That's where I started. Yeah, probably caught about freaking 10 of these freaking 9 inches today. nice. Woohoo! Doggy bow. The biggest one over there. Hey, Giggles. Did Gilbert caught you a fish, man? Gilbert said, tell Randy, hey, Giggles, I caught him a fish. Big old bass.
From heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Yeah, baby. Burn the hook. Doggy boy. Alright, guys. See you there, guys. Yeah. Ow. Come here. Where is it now? Guess I'm gonna get my butt in, man. Not enough, dude. Been out here 10 hours. Let's see what we got in bucket. It was tough, dude. But when the tough gets going, when it gets tough, the tough get going, or something like that. When the tough gets going, the going gets tough. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. We're going in, baby. Oh, it's tough, dude. Yeah. See what I got in the bucket? Ah, there you go. That's the first one of the day. He still was he tried to jump in and get in the water. I might as well let him go. Oh, Sandy. Recording? Oh, they look pretty good in that live well. There's one crappie. Two crappie. Three crappie. Looks like you got hit by a bunch of propellers. Black stripe, man. I think that was the first crappie. Man, what is that, 4? 4! Shut the door! 4 folks! Black stripe, man. You got this thing on the lip. You like dipping that still, that coback. Woohoo! Number 5. Morning bite sucked, dude. Couldn't get nothing. Didn't start biting until later today. That's afternoon. Number 6, dude. Probably 12 incher right there. All right, man. Get your ass down here so we can catch some of these crappie. So I don't know what's going on today. But I see some thunderstorms rolling in. Alright, I didn't know this damn thing had a pause button. What the whoop? Got some thunderstorms coming in tonight. So we gonna head to the house. Go let's get us cold tea. Pina colada. Alright, bye-bye, Wendy. We love you, man. Bye-bye, Giggles. Roll. Peace. Bye-bye. stuff in there. I'm like, I even put nothing in there. He's like, damn, boy. You ain't take care of your shit, man. All right. Put stuff in there now.